In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Mindful Souls monthly box. So I have it here. I'm super excited and let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe so you never miss out another unboxing video. I do this every month on my channel. Today we're going to be doing Mindful Souls. I'm very excited because I love the jewelry pieces they send. I'm very excited. Hopefully there's like a jewelry piece in here because the jewelry pieces that they send are so cute. They're so nice. Oh, I love them. But one thing that I do want to mention is that if you get this box, it's $39.97 a month, I believe. And they also have an online boutique. So you can actually go and shop on their boutique for anything that you see in these boxes. And I've even seen more things in their boutique that like is not even in the boxes that I'm very interested in. So yeah, check out their boutique. But we're going to be unboxing the monthly box right now. I'm really excited, and let's get into it. So I'm gonna open this up, and I really love opening this Mindful Souls box in front of you guys because I get to like just right at the top of my head, if I know any knowledge or anything that I know about any of these crystals or decks or oils or anything, I can share it with you right then and there. And if not, then I go into work like researching it. Like I'm so fascinated by new things, new crystals, new oils. It's my passion and I love it. So as soon as you open the box, you see this. So there is like a pamphlet in there, which I really do like and I really appreciate. On this, it shows everything that's in the back of there. I'm not gonna look at it. And then the pamphlet is the secret power of an attitude shift. Okay. I like this. So it's just a bunch of like energy cleansing rituals and crystals you can use that will help you just with your mood. Like a little astrology horoscope section. I like this. I'm gonna get into this. I'm gonna read this like over like a cup of wine or something because I'm interested in what is in there. So as soon as that is done, when you look in the box, if you pull out this card, you see all of these things right here. So I'm excited. So these cards are something that I like to keep around me because I feel like when you surround your environment with like seeds, really seeds, and these seeds could be affirmation cards, it could be quotes, it could be paintings, it could be pictures on your wall. It's your aesthetics around you, your decorations, the colors around you, the cleanliness around you, the dirt around you, the hoarding around you, everything, okay, has an energy. So in this case, it says affirmation for happiness. So it says every day, in every way, I'm getting happier and happier. This is a really good affirmation. And I think this is something I might keep on my bathroom mirror. So if you can get magnets, I have these little gold, really cute magnets from Amazon, and what you do is you just stick it on the mirror or your fridge or anywhere magnetic, and it just sticks everything on there, photos, affirmation cards. And what I love about this subscription box from Mindful Souls is they give these big ass cards. So you could put it in your journal, you could put it on your fridge, your bathroom mirror, you could frame it. Like, I love these. And the affirmations are very helpful and nice. Because every time you pass by like a painting in your house or a quote in your house or an affirmation card, whatever you have around your house that is aesthetically pleasing to you, even if it's like a really long quote, but you pass by it, you're not going to have the time to read the entire quote every single day, but you will get the gist of it in your subconscious. And every time you look at that painting or that quote or that card, it'll replant that seed without you even knowing. So I really like having positive things around my atmosphere because whatever I look at constantly, 24/7 throughout the day is going to be feeding my subconscious the most, right? Content that I consume, music that I consume, quotes that I consume, the paintings around me, the decor around me, the colors around me, the cleanliness around me, everything will affect my mental state. So I really like keeping affirmation cards and really pretty tapestries and paintings and crystals and everything that I love around me because why not? Why not? And then when we go into the rest of the card, there is a sticker, which I really love that they give stickers. So this sticker right here is a little Buddha. It's a little Buddha head. And I think this would go really, really good in a journal, in the back of my phone. It could go good on the bathroom mirror, the fridge, so many different things. Like on my reading table. It's really pretty and it gives a very calming vibe, doesn't it not? Like, do you guys feel that? Like, if you guys see a Buddha head somewhere, it just gives, just calm down, right? Calm down. And then the next thing that we have here is in these baggies. And you guys know I love these bags. I have so many of them and I save them and I've used almost all of them. And I use them to make mojo bags. I use them to put in my bathroom, my laundry, everything. And I do love that they have the eye on it, which kind of looks like an evil eye. And so anything you use it with, it's just very protective. Okay, so this right here, I know exactly what this is. Do you guys see this? It's a pendulum. And how you use this is you kind of just put it around your finger and you can kind of sense energy. It kind of starts twirling around and you need to kind of know if it goes straight up, this way, circular motion, anti-circular motion. There's a lot of different positions that this can take, and according to it, you kind of know what the energy is. So you can read chakras with this, you can read crystals, you can read photos, you can read people, you can read yourself. Like, I really love this, and it's a malachite crystal. Malachite crystal for me, well, it looks like malachite. I'm not sure if it's malachite. It is a malachite pendulum. It's known as a stone of transformation, and it'll help you deal with many changes that can happen in your life because it stimulates clear thinking and controlled emotions. And this is one of the most beautiful stones you will ever see. It's no surprise that it's often used for jewelry. When it's placed very close to the body, it can harness a very good energy field. So for me, when I use malachite crystals, I use it for literally manipulation of energy. I use it to manipulate energy and to create like a drastic difference in my life. Malachite is a very, very good stone for creating something like that. So what I would do with this is just, malachite is a very strong energy reader too. So you can go around your house, see where the energy is good, how the pendulum swings. You could do this on a Ouija board. You could do it on a rune board. Like, there's a lot of things you could use with a pendulum. You could also read like certain parts of your own body. So I'm excited for this. I'm very excited for this. Thing I see also comes in a little baggie. So I have a few more bags. I'm very excited. And this looks like, ooh, this looks like a black tourmaline necklace. And it looks very freaking pretty. Wow. Some of the wires you kind of have to rearrange and stuff, but wow. You guys can see that. Look how pretty that is. Look at the chain, the wiring, the way that they wrap the crystal. It's so cute, so pretty. Now, black tourmaline crystals are for protection. They are for transmuting and getting rid of negative energy, for sending negative energy back, for mental clarity, and overall just getting rid of a lot of negative energy. So if you can wear this around your neck, especially if you go to an interview, an event, a function, it really helps in protecting you, grounding you, making you feel more comfortable within all of your 5 senses. So this is a really, really good piece, and I'm very, very excited. See, I told you they have really good jewelry pieces. The last baggie that I see here, I want to open all the bags first. So this, ooh, it's a crystal. So this is a crystal, and it looks, ooh, it smells like if you go on like a scenic drive and you see like volcanic red dirt or volcanic rocks. I feel like that's what it smells like, and it's kind of what it looks like. Let me see what this is. So it's a Mookite Stone. And it boasts of a bold and earthy elegance that can catch your eye. Yes, it does. Leave you captivated. Yes, it does, because it's so different. It looks like a brick. It's the stone of here and now, making you appreciate the past, enjoy the present, and look forward to the future. Wearing or carrying Mookite with you will keep you safe from harm because it's a highly protective stone. Kind of reminds you of a little bit of a tiger's eye energy here. Associated with the second chakra, so placing it in this area will bring deeper healing. Put it under your pillow while you sleep to improve your health or speed up recovery. The second chakra is our sacral, which is right underneath our belly button, which is our artistic sexuality, how much pleasure we allow or we don't allow. So this is gonna help us with that. This is what the Mookite Stone looks like. It's so nice. Look at that. It looks like a big piece of brick. It feels really good on the hands. It's super smooth, very, very smooth. It feels like a raw countertop. If you guys know what I'm talking about, like a raw granite. That's what it feels like. And it feels really, really good. And I do understand why they say that it brings you in the here and now, because when you feel it, you can really feel earth in it. Okay, so there's a few more things in this box. And the first thing that I see here, okay, so what is this? It looks like it's Yerba Santa leaves. And Yerba Santa, also called a holy herb, was traditionally used as a smudge or incense for protection and setting boundaries. Ooh. It's uplifting. It's for love. It's for purification. It's for growth. It's for empowerment. It's for beauty. And the release of emotional pain stored in the heart chakra. You can see here they gave you a little tiny abalone shell, which is so freaking cute. Look at that. And you could burn your herbs in there perfectly fine, so easy. And then we have Yerba Santa. So they gave a lot, and I'm very excited to burn this. And also I might even make a video of like Yerba Santa and what it's good for. If you guys are interested, let me know. Okay, so the next thing that I see in here is something I've never really seen before. It's a Tibetan rope incense from Nepal, and it's natural handmade rose incense. So I'm gonna open it because I want to show you guys. This is something I've never seen before. Oh my god. Do you know what this smells like? I wish you guys could smell it. If you guys get this month's box, this is probably the best thing in the box. It smells so freaking good. It smells like you just walked into a field of roses. Oh, my entire, this hemisphere of my skull is tingling. I'm not kidding you guys. So here's what the rose rope incense looks like. I've never seen anything like it before. I'm super excited to use this and burn it. It smells heavenly, like literally, like if heaven had a scent, I think it would smell like this. It's so far away from my face right now, but I can still smell it. It smells so good. If anything, I would pay the monthly subscription box just for this. It smells so good. Now my fingers smell just like it. And this is actually a rose Tibetan rope incense, 45 sticks. Okay, so what do? The rose is a symbol of love and purity. Incense is to have a soothing effect on emotions, particularly grief, depression, and resentments, lifts the heart and eases nervous tension and stress. Use when meditating or whenever you need a boost of your energy. So I'm not completely sure if I'm supposed to burn one at a time or like the whole stick. I'm not sure, but I'm going to play with it. I'm going to play with it and see what I'm supposed to do. If you guys know, then let me know, because I've never seen anything like it. I'm very excited. And it smells really good. So the last thing in the box that I see is this. It looks like a bath bomb. It is a bath bomb. I just looked at it. It's a green tea bath bomb. Ooh, yes. Yes, yes. I love me some bath bombs. It smells really good. Do you know what it smells like? It smells like honeydew with cucumbers with green tea. That's what it smells like, with sugar or honey. Like a sweet cucumber, honeydew, green tea. It smells really, really good. Really relaxing. And so what is this good for? This is good for a green tea bath. Can aid with relaxation and detoxification. It's an antioxidant, softens the skin. Green tea relaxes the body, calms the mind, eases certain types of pain. Tea baths are great to ease or heal skin conditions and to relax muscles and ease pain. I'm very excited to use this because I think I'm about to start my period. My cramps have been a little bad, so I think this will help a lot with my cramps. And so that is everything in the box. I'm very, very, very satisfied with this box. I'm so excited for the jewelry that I got. I'm so excited for the pendulum. I'm so excited to get into the bath. Now I have a reason to take a bath, and now I have a reason to explore rope incense. Yerba Santa, I don't know too much about it. So I have a lot of things that I can go research and study and learn about and incorporate into my own spirituality. So yes, I'm very excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want this box, go get it. It's a very, very, very good box. Look, you're gonna get to take a bath out of this box. You have this stone that helps you get into the present moment. You have incense that literally, roses lift the vibration. Roses have a higher vibration than us humans vibrate at. And you can smell it in there, okay? Yerba Santa, and you have a little tiny cute little abalone shell, so you could smudge every room in your house with a little bit of Yerba Santa. And then I love everything in this box. It's really, really good because it's functional and you can use everything with an intention, and I love it. I'm very excited for this box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you very, very soon.